So this is a short video updating about my X3650 Model 5. Well, I bought the server and it came with no rails, so I've just bought a set of Gen 2 rails, brand spanking new from Germany. So as you can see, it's completely brand spanking new. So I just thought to do a very small, quick unboxing video. So try and do this all one-handed. So what I'm looking to do is get it installed into my IBM LENOVO rack shortly. So right, I know. That's all we've got. We've got safety information. What we've got. EU information. And another little warranty and license information as well, just in case I have any issues there. So lift this one out. As you imagine, these are quite heavy. Right. Okay. The box on the box. Alright, here we are. I'm into it. So I've got an assortment of fixing brackets. And there's the runners themselves. So very nice too. 2016 build that. So yeah. So there's the rails. Okay. Well, obviously next video I think you're going to see is me assembling into the rack. Well, that's it for me. As I say, I'll show a little video once it's installed in the rack. Thanks for watching.